Hello everyone! Today we're going to make Chinese breakfast, egg pancake. To make this easy and quick pancake, we will need flour, water, green onions, eggs, and salt. I'd also like to introduce my favorite dipping sauce for this pancake. 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Lao Gan Ma. So first of all, let's chop the green onions. Let's add the eggs. And green onions into the flour. When mixing the ingredients, add water gradually and stir until smooth. Now let's season the batter. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Okay, now let's cook the pancake. Under medium heat, let's put 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is heated, add a thin layer of batter. And tilt to cover the pan evenly. Cook this side for about 1 minute. And then turn it over and cook the other side slightly. For now, the pancake is ready. You can fold the pancake like it shows in the video. For the dipping sauce, you can choose your favorite. My recipe is 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Lao Gan Ma, and mix well. Okay, that's everything for this pancake. It's very easy, quick, and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.